Welcome back again, and to day 2 of week 1. How are you feeling? You should have just done your semi-supine breathing exercise again. If not, pause this video, go and do that, and then come back. If you have, great. We're going to get back on the mat in a second. This next exercise today is going to be one that's going to open up the rib intercostal muscles here. So we're also going to promote the idea of opening up the hips and moving the skin, the spine moving. So if you'd like to get down into semi-supine and put this video where you can see it somewhere. If not, watch some of the video and then come back to it. But it'd be handy if you could put this, your computer or phone, somewhere near where you can see what I'm doing. So I'll talk you through the process. So starting in semi-supine, the same as yesterday. First, here we're going to straighten our left leg and keep our left leg bent, and we're going to lean over with the right knee and let it just twist to the side. Now I can do it quite far, you might not be able to do it. I don't want you to pull or push your leg over. I'm using my hand just to keep it stable. If it doesn't go that far, don't force it. Now you can turn your head towards your other arm if you keep that extended out and look over your shoulder. Breathing in the same way we did yesterday, but keeping your eyes open. If it's too difficult, don't turn your head too far. I don't want any strain. Just nice and easy, breathing in. Bring your arm up to the top and breathe out and bring your arm round as if it's a clock arm. Breathe in as it comes up, breathe out, and just kind of draw a circle around you. Breathe in, breathe out as you bring your arm down. You'll find your own rhythm for this, but then we can go back the other way. Bring your arm round, breathe in, breathe out as it goes round. Bring it round as wide as you can whilst keeping it comfortable. You may be tight in some areas. Breathing out. Okay, and put your arm back down, bring your legs back up into semi-supine. And just readjust yourself. See how you feel after doing that to one side. Okay, now we can put the right leg straight and tuck our left foot in behind our right knee and twist over again to the other side, over to the right, holding on if you need to the arm, to the leg, sorry. Now keeping your left arm out, try and look towards it if you can, if it's comfortable. Remember to keep breathing in, starting from that lower back sacrum area. And then we're just going to do what we did on the other side. Bring your arm up to the top. And like a clock dial, just bring it round your body. Nice and relaxed. Don't want too much tension in there. Breathe out as you bring it down. Breathe in as you bring it up. Breathe. And then we go back the other way. Breathe out, breathe in, coming back up. Just let your head and your body roll and follow your arm as naturally as it does. No forcing, no tension. And remember, you won't get this perfect straight away. It's just, it'll take practice. Okay, so let's bring your legs back up into semi-supine now. And just see how you feel. Reset yourself. How do your shoulders feel after that? Let's roll back onto our side again now. Couple of breaths. And then same as yesterday, we can slowly start to move and make our way up onto our hands and knees first, and then slowly, gently make our way back up onto our feet. So tomorrow I want you to do both these exercises before you play the next video. If you do 10 minutes in the semi-supine, breathing into the sacral area, and then do the second exercise, the twists, where you can do 5 breaths leaning to the left, and then 3 each way with your arms, and then change to the right hand side, 5 breaths there, and then 3 breaths each way with your arm. So once you've done that, I'll see you for day 3.